Welcome back to Yessah Travels. Today we're visiting Waiahole Poi Factory on Oahu. We're gonna try real authentic Hawaiian food. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're vibing with us today. Now let's check it out. Waiahole Poi Factory was originally built in 1905 as a real poi factory. It stopped being a factory for decades, then came back as a local food spot. Poi is made from kalo, which is taro, one of the most sacred Hawaiian foods. Locals have been eating poi here for over a century of history. Here we have an image of another famous Hawaiian dish called kalua pork, which is basically shredded pork that's cooked underground. But today I think I'm going for the lau lau plate.
What's this, butter mochi?
Yeah.
Oh, dang.
And then this one is the ube one.
Got you.
Here it is, guys. It's the lau lau plate.
Alright, guys. Today we got from Waiahole Poi Factory. We got lau lau, lomi salmon. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about, because you guys, we have to bring you up to date on this culture real quick. We got lau lau, lomi salmon. We got some poi and some rice. Lomi salmon is made out of pork with some luau leaves steamed. It's usually steamed for like a couple hours. About to try it out right now. Alright. We're about to try the lomi salmon too. Lomi salmon is made out of tomato, onion, and salmon. It's a popular Hawaiian dish. These are all authentic Hawaiian dishes. Usually you see like Hawaiian barbecue and whatnot, but I say that's just like, it's not really authentic traditional. This is like traditional Hawaiian food. So fresh. You mix it with some lau lau. Fire. You have like your chicken long rice, which is noodles and chicken. It's kind of like almost a soup, but not really. You have your squid luau, which is like a soup with squid basically, and taro leaves. You also have your kalua pig, which is pork. It's usually cooked in an imu, which is like an underground oven. It's usually cooked for like a couple hours, and then they bring it back up. It's all falling off the bone and tender and soft. So lau lau is a combination of pork and fish. So they steam the pork and fish with the banana leaf. And the banana leaf tastes like spinach, if you would. So it's real good. But I'll show you guys a little Hawaiian secret. Bring you guys up on culture a little bit. So what you want to do is you get the lau lau right here, and you see the poi. Dip it in the poi just like this, and then you eat it. Then you say, Yessah. I definitely recommend Waiahole Poi Factory. It's a popular spot on the island, especially if you're going or heading to the east side. I would definitely recommend it. It's been there for a long time, so you know they got that good business. But I would recommend it for sure. And If I was you, I'd definitely try the Sweet Lady of Waiahole. It's one of the most popular desserts. Probably one of the best desserts here, to be honest. But if you don't know, now you know. And if you didn't know, well, that's your fault. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention what poi is. Poi is made out of taro. In Hawaiian, we call it kalo. And it's basically mashed up taro into liquid form, usually water. And it's just like a paste. It doesn't really have a taste. Sometimes it's sour, but you can make it sweet with sugar.
They also have a parking lot in the back and front area. It definitely fills up fast, so come quick. I had to get into the car for this one. I was getting eaten alive by flies. They were all over the place, so I had to enjoy it in the car. And as you can see, I think I pretty much killed it.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like this channel, we're about to take you to as much food tours as we can. Follow for more. Click that like button and that notification bell. Oh, she don't hit him. Wait guys, I forgot to tell you. It's a popular Hawaiian dessert called haupia. Let's try it out right now. This is how it looks. It's basically coconut in the form of like jello pudding in a way. It's hard to explain, but you can see like the texture is very soft. Almost like a flan, but not same taste. It tastes like coconut. You see it right here. Oh, we're about to try this out.
Oh, don't do not make a big deal out of it.
It tasted so good and refreshing, and now it got me craving sweets. So let's see what else we can get. As you can see, the line does fill up, so it's definitely a place worth visiting. I know for us locals, this is definitely a spot to get authentic Hawaiian food. And now we're gonna get some dessert. They are famous for their Sweet Lady of Waiahole.
101. 101. Hey, thank you.
This is the Sweet Lady, which is a haupia ice cream or coconut ice cream made with kulolo bits inside. I've seen a lot of vloggers vlog about Hawaii food, but not Hawaiian food itself. So here's the culture from a local born and raised.
We're about to try the Sweet Lady, Waiahole, from the Waiahole Poi Factory. Show you guys how it looks. This is haupia ice cream with kulolo. And kulolo is basically taro. It's a popular Hawaiian dessert. About to try it out or not. Bro. Yessah. The ice cream is haupia ice cream. Haupia is coconut. Just in case you guys didn't know. Now you know. The kulolo is warmed up. The kulolo is warmed up, and I'll show you guys how it looks. So that's the kulolo on the left, and it's warmed up, and you have a cold haupia ice cream, which is basically coconut, but that's how you say it in Hawaiian, haupia. And kulolo is made out of taro, so it's a popular Hawaiian dessert. And just want to eat this first before it melts. It's already melting. It's a nice day. If you don't know, that's your fault. This is in the popular Waiahole Poi Factory on the east side, Kahalu, Kaneohe area. If you're passing through, get it. I definitely recommend it. Just go up to the counter and ask for a sweet lady. I think the price was about $8 for a single scoop, so it's worth it. Definitely a must try when you come to Oahu. That's how it looks, almost gone. Yes, this is Yessah Travels, signing out. Yessah.
Click the next video for more travel fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe.